This video will help you understand native speakers faster than ever before and to speak English confidently and effortlessly like never before. Welcome to English with Sachin, a YouTube channel that is committed to helping you speak English confidently and fearlessly like never before. In this video lesson, we're gonna watch an American TV show, Friends. I'm sure you must have heard it. In this video, we'll be watching the clip together, and at the end of the clip, I'm gonna be teaching you the words, the idioms, the phrases that have been used by the actors. It's gonna be a fun lesson. So let's jump right into it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks. God, Will, I'm so glad that you came. You look great. You must have lost like
150 pounds. Yeah, I'm gonna be in one of those Subway sandwich commercials.
Hi.
All right, it's no fat, it's no sugar, it's no dairy. It's no good. Throw it out.
Some people. This is my husband Chandler. Chandler, this is Will.
Hey.
Oh, hey. I'd shake your hand, but I'm really into the game. Plus, I think it'd be better for my ego if we didn't stand right next to each other.
This is Phoebe.
Hi.
Hey. Well done. Gonna give me a hand?
Sure. Monica, I can't get over how great you look. You look stunning.
You look incredible too. You're so fit.
I'm watching the game, but I'm not deaf.
I meant to tell you, Ross is coming.
Ross is coming great. I love
Oh,
Ross.
good. And Rachel Green too.
Oh.
Is there a problem?
No. It's okay. It's just, God, I hated her.
What?
Yeah, I hated her. She was horrible to me in high school. But hey, that was a long time ago. I'm in a good place. Might be actually fun to see her again. Got any cakes or cookies or something? No, Will, no. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks. God, Will, I'm so glad that you came. You look great.
To be glad is to be happy and thankful for something. For example, hey, I'm so glad to hear that you got the promotion. She's glad because she's flying to America next week.
Thanks. God, Will, I'm so glad that you came. You look great. You must have lost like
150 pounds.
Now she said it so fast. It is must have. Must have. Must have is the short form of must have. Must have. For one more example, she must have stolen the phone. They must have won the lottery.
some people. This is my husband Chandler. Chandler, this is Will.
Hey.
Oh, hey. I'd shake your hand, but I'm really into the game.
When you are into something, you are paying full attention to something. For example, the movie lasted more than 3 hours, but I was so much into it that I didn't even realize it went so fast.
Sure. Monica, I can't get over how great you look. You look stunning.
You look incredible too. You're so fit.
Saying I can't get over something is another way of saying I'm just so amazed. For example, I can't get over how much weight she lost in just little time.
Monica, I can't get over how great you look. You look stunning.
You look incredible too. You're so fit.
Stunning is a stronger version of impressive, beautiful, or extremely attractive. For example, the view from the top is absolutely stunning.
That was a long time ago. I'm in a good place. Might be actually fun to see her again.
To be in a good place is used to refer how a person is feeling emotionally and about their life. For example, they had a horrible couple of months, but now they are in a good place. Hey everybody, I'm Sachin, a spoken English trainer and communication skills coach. I hope you loved the video. If you want to speak English confidently and fluently through these incredible clips, then subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and share this video if you found this helpful. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye. Take care.